blood cancer detection using AI. Abstract. Blood cancer detection using AI employs convolutional neural networks and mobile net architectures to revolutionize cancer diagnosis. Leveraging AI, this innovative system automates the analysis of blood samples for identifying various types of blood cancers. The proposed model harnesses the power of CNN and MobileNet, utilizing their deep learning capabilities to accurately classify cancerous cells from microscopic images. Document. In document we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references. Results. Serves as the gateway to the project, offering an intuitive and user-friendly interface that provides seamless navigation for users to explore the project's features. Acts as the initial user interface for account creation. Users input essential details like username, email, and password, with advanced security measures in place to ensure data confidentiality. Successful registration grants access to the system's features. Functions as the secure access point for authorized users. By entering their credentials, users gain entry to the system and its functionalities. Provides an interface for users to upload image and receive predictions based on the selected model, facilitating the prediction process. Displays the results of the predictions, allowing users to view the outcomes generated by the model based on their input. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.